What is going on, everybody? Welcome back. MTG here with another episode, and today I'm going to show you how to make your Android phone look like the Samsung Galaxy S20. Now all you need to do is follow what's on screen, and I'll leave all the links in the description down below. And by the way, for reference, I am using the OnePlus 7 Pro. Obviously it's my daily driver, so that's what I'm using. But like I said, this will work with any Android device. So without further delay, let's dive right in.
Anyway, everybody, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, be sure to Superman that like button, comment down below, because with the more interactions we get on this video, not only helps the video and the channel, but also pushes the video out to more viewers. And best of all, Superman that subscribe button. Until next time, everybody, and until next video, this is MTG.